Here is how you can create a free online server in TLauncher to play with your friends. First, open this link that will take you to Eterno's servers, then create an account. After creating the account, click on Create, then click Create again. Now click Skip. Now that you have created the account, you need to change some settings. Go to Options, then click on this option, then go to the Server tab and change the version to your Minecraft version. You will find it written here. Mine is 1.12.1. Then click Reinstall, then Yes, Reinstall. Now make sure you have an account in TLauncher, then copy the server link and open Minecraft. Once in Minecraft, click on Multiplayer, then Add Server, and paste the server link in the server address. Now don't forget to start the server like this. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.